How to download and install Snapchat in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you download and install Snapchat in your Windows 11 PC or laptop and simply start using it. So first of all, what you have to do is you can go to the Microsoft Store and search for the Snapchat application. Here you can see the Snapchat application. Click on Get in order to install it in your Windows. You can see here that it's starting to download. Be patient and wait for it to download. And after it's downloaded, click on Open. And here you will be redirected to the web.snapchat.com. As soon as you are redirected to the official website of snapchat.com, input your username or email that is connected to your Snapchat account. Input your password and click on Next. Here you have been logged into your account and you can simply start using your Snapchat Wave on your Windows PC or laptop. So this is basically how you can download and install Snapchat in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.